Good morning. Very early morning again. I struggled out of bed at 5 to again try and beat the heat of the day. We've got a bit of excitement today. We're going up Yewbarrow, or at least that's the plan. Looks fearsome from here. I'll just show you in a minute. There is apparently a small risk of thunderstorms today, somewhere on the west coast of UK. So we're taking the chance. They're not due till this afternoon, we're told. So up early, out the gate, up the hill. Up there. Ooh, that looks tough. So whether I'll be able to do any filming walking up that bit, I really don't know. But why don't you come with us and see. The weather forecast is, I think it was 10 to 20 miles an hour wind again. Obviously not yet. Chance of thunder this afternoon, but we should be down by then because it's only 7 o'clock and we're halfway up already. Well, I hope we're halfway up. Humid. Oh, wow. I'm absolutely dripping. Completely dripping. It's a good job the sun's not out. Or if it is, I'm in the shadow. Otherwise, the hat would be on and I'd be dissolving, not dripping. So, what's to next is up there. I'll try and film it if I can, but I've been having to use both sticks so far. Oops. Yeah, I'm just trying to work it out as I can. I think this would be tough on a nice day, but on a day like today when it's really humid, it's tough. So we come up over here, saw the cairn, and thought, yay, we're at the top. But we're not. It's a hill of 4 summits, this one. Didn't do as much filming on the way up as I should have done, or wanted to, because it's just tough. And in a lot of places I actually needed 2 hands to get up. So Anyway, we're approaching the top now. We've just been past the cairn, which we thought was the top, but it wasn't. Don't do you any favours, this Yewbarrow at all. Oh, yeah. Right, let's get up there. Tap a cairn. Hopefully this is the top. We've seen plenty of them. Oh, yeah. Ray! Summit cairn, love it. Don't look so disappointed, dear. Oh, falling over. Okay?
Yeah.
That was tough.
It was tough, wasn't it?
Maybe we are actually getting old now.
We can still do it.
Yeah, I feel quite old at the moment. So we're just having a nice long rest, basking in the glory of hitting the top finally. Our way down is on along the plateau. We drop off the end, which I understand is a reasonable scramble, and then we come back down this valley, down through there, which looks lovely. So there's the top of Yewbarrow back there, just wandered across, looking good. And as I say, our way down is down to the valley, but we've got to get down there first. Expecting another stiff scramble, but this time down. So there's a cairn just over there, so we're going to sit there, we'll have some food, and then start the way down. I'm aware that people watching this will think we sit on the hills all day eating. Right, well, we just stopped for some food, and I've just come over the edge to have a look at the way down. And as always, you know, you like to film the more exciting pieces, but let me show you the way down there. So it goes out along there and then down. So if you don't mind, I'm not going to film that. I'm putting the camera away using both hands and getting down there, and I'll talk to you when we get to the bottom. So that's the way down through those rocks. Pretty good scramble going up, but coming down no, it's not.
It's a bit iffy.
And then all the way down through the grassy bits, it's all scree. So what do you think of that?
Didn't mind the scrambling bits so much, even coming down, but I just hate scree coming down.
Yeah, it's not good, is it?
I get so unsteady on it.
Yep. Anyway,
We're down.
So we've done all the hard work now.
Yeah.
So we've just got to get back down the valley and I would say go and get a pint, but it's only 9:30. So maybe go and find some breakfast. And this delightful valley is our way back. We're just a couple of 100 yards from the end of today's adventure now. Getting up Yewbarrow is quite challenging, and getting down the other end is, shall we say, interesting. But yeah, nice adventure, and then walking back down through that lovely valley, really nice. There's a few pools up there if you're interested in stream dipping. I was tempted, but you know, forgot me towel. Shame.
Thought
Anyway,
we'd need it.
thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and do all those other things, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Bye for
Bye.
now.